Siang, Cap.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Lion Air Captain Audi Dodowicz with co-pilot Captain Bambang Gunawan and entire crew members would like to welcome you aboard JT867 with destination to Jakarta. The flight to Jakarta will be approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. We'd like to remind you that this is a non-smoking flight, including electronic cigars is prohibited. According to the Civil Aviation and Safety Regulation, tampering with disabling or destroying any smoke detectors in lavatory is strictly prohibited. Thank you for your kind attention and have a very pleasant flight.
According to the Civil Aviation and Safety Regulation, we must demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on board our aircraft. Please pay attention to our flight attendants. Sabuk pengaman Anda dipasang seperti ini dan dikencangkan seperti ini. Untuk mengeratkan, tarik talinya, melipat meja, dan membuka penutup jendela. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, in preparation for takeoff, please fasten your seatbelt and make sure your seat back is upright, the table is stowed, and your window shade is up. Thank you.
terus juga cuma lumayan panjang penerbangan itu jadi kayak goyang-goyang terus itu juga ribet sama servisnya ribet.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Soekarno-Hatta, the International Airport at Tangerang, Banten. Please remain seated until we have come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Do not switch on your cellular phone until you are in the terminal building, and please pay special attention when opening the luggage bin as some items may fall out. Before disembarking, please check your personal belongings so there is nothing left behind. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying with Lion Air. Have a nice weekend.
Itu kalau